Good morning. I'm gonna take this video of this Equinox. It's a very nice car. It's an LT package, which means that it has a lot of nice features. Like, for instance, it has keyless start right there, and it has trunk open and close remotely. I love the seats, the way that the quilted seats feel on the back and on the when you're sitting in them. Backup camera, cruise control, Bluetooth for your phone. Really nice features. This one happens to have the rubber floor mats, upgrade floor mats from Chevrolet. And then in the back there's air control, air vents, and then there's charge ports for folks in the back. It's got the seats fold down very easily. Make for a nice flat surface. I really like the room that the Equinox affords, and then there's extra storage space underneath, which is really handy. To close the rear, you just push the button, or push the button on the start. I mean on the key fob. It's pretty, has good tires. No visible damage that I've found. There's no dents. It looks really well good. I'm gonna put the seat back up. There we go. And then give you a view of the whole car. I really like these. My wife drove one that's a little bit smaller than this for a while. She loved it. Plenty of get up and go. You'll really like it.